Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share items or products on Mango. So let's get started. First, launch open your Mango application. Now tap on the search icon and search for the product that you would like to share. Now swipe up and this panel is going to show up. Tap on the share option. Now select the platform that you'd like to share. And this is how you can share items or products on Mango. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.